A gentleman's club on wheels inside the XJ's luxurious cabin. Imagine stepping into a world where sophistication meets comfort, where every detail has been thoughtfully designed to cater to your senses. This is the essence of the Jaguar XJ's cabin, a sanctuary that redefines luxury on wheels. Step inside the XJ and you're transported. The moment you open the door, you are greeted by an ambiance that whispers elegance and exclusivity. The soft glow of ambient lighting sets the mood, creating an inviting atmosphere that beckons you to leave the outside world behind. Gone is the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The XJ's cabin is a cocoon of tranquility, designed to provide a serene escape from the chaos of the outside world. The noise-canceling technology ensures that the only sounds you hear are the ones you choose, whether it's your favorite music or the gentle hum of the engine. You're enveloped in a sanctuary of leather, wood, and chrome. The materials used in the XJ's interior are not just for show, they are carefully selected to provide the utmost comfort and luxury. The rich leather seats, the polished wood veneers, and the gleaming chrome accents all come together to create an environment that is both opulent and inviting. The seats, hand-stitched, beckon you to sink in and relax. Each stitch is a testament to the craftsmanship that goes into creating the XJ's interior. The seats are not just comfortable, they are designed to support your body in all the right places, making long journeys a pleasure rather than a chore. The aroma of rich leather fills the air. It's a scent that instantly evokes a sense of luxury and refinement. This is not just any leather, it's the finest quality, chosen for its softness and durability. The smell alone is enough to make you feel like you're in a first-class lounge. Every detail, meticulously crafted, exudes an air of refined luxury. From the intricate stitching on the seats to the carefully placed controls, everything in the XJ's cabin has been designed with the driver and passengers in mind. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect, making it clear that this is a car for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Whether navigating city streets or cruising down the open road, the XJ's cabin is your haven. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, while the powerful engine provides the performance you expect from a Jaguar. No matter where your journey takes you, the XJ's cabin is a place of comfort and luxury, a place to escape, to unwind, to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. The XJ's cabin is more than just a place to sit, it's a place to relax and rejuvenate. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort, with adjustable settings that allow you to find the perfect position. The climate control system ensures that the temperature is always just right, no matter what the weather is like outside. This is not just a car interior, it's an experience. The XJ's cabin is designed to engage all your senses, from the feel of the leather seats to the sound of the premium audio system. The panoramic sunroof lets in natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere that enhances the feeling of space and freedom, an experience reserved for those who appreciate the finer things in life. The Jaguar XJ is not just a car, it's a statement. It's a testament to the art of luxury and the pursuit of perfection. For those who demand the best, the XJ's cabin offers an unparalleled experience that is both luxurious and unforgettable.